It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a foggy day in Springland. The fog makes it very difficult to see anyone. There's Toot the boat. There's Wally the whale. Is that you, Wally? asked Toot.
Yes, it's me,
says Wally the whale. I think today is the darkest, foggiest day ever in Springland, says Toot. Who can this be? Could it be? Yes, it's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Swo-Swoosh and Honk are going to the harbor today. Oh dear, thinks Swo-Swoosh. How am I going to find Honk? Who can this be? It's Honk the car. What thick fog, thinks Honk. I hope Swo-Swoosh doesn't get lost. Uh-oh, thinks Swo-Swoosh. Am I going up or am I going down? Above the cloud, it is nice and sunny. Yippee! Shouts Swo-Swoosh. At last I can see! Hello, clouds! Hello, sun! I do hope Honk and Swo-Swoosh find their way in this fog, worries Toot. Honk knows that sound. It is Toot's foghorn. Yes, he is going the right way. The sign tells Honk this is the road to the harbor. Hello? Can anybody hear me down there? Hello? Shouts Swo-Swoosh. Is that you, Swo-Swoosh? Calls Honk. Hello? Can you hear me? Yes, Honk. I'm up in the cloud. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Can you help me? Honk knew just how to help Swo-Swoosh find the way. Follow the sound of my horn, Swo-Swoosh, calls Honk. I will lead you to the harbor. Hello, Toot, calls Honk. There you are, calls a relieved Toot. Where's Swo-Swoosh? I'm up here, Toot, calls Swo-Swoosh. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Come down nice and slowly, Swo-Swoosh, calls Toot. Okay, ready, steady. But I still can't see where I'm going. Help! Hey, I'm over here, calls Swo-Swoosh. Thanks for saving me, Wally the whale. Thanks for using your horn and leading the way, Honk, says Swo-Swoosh. Sunshine at last. Have fun, everybody. It's a beautiful snowy day. Morning, Toot the boat. dear, Toot has a problem. Help, Swo-Swoosh, shouts Toot. I'm stuck, I can't move. Honk has a rope, says Swo-Swoosh. Hang on, Toot, Swo-Swoosh to the rescue. Yippee! It's snowing! Hello, says Honk. How do you do? My name is Honk the car, smiles Honk. Good morning. What is your name? Tries Honk again. Hello? Mr. He can't talk, explains Floppy the rabbit. And he can't hear you, not even see you. Oh, how sad, thinks Honk. What is wrong with the poor man? He isn't a real man, Honk. He's a snowman, Floppy explains. This is how you make a snowman. Look, like this, says Fluffy. I have a good name, says Honk. Let's call him Mr. Snowman. Honk, quick, shouts Swo-Swoosh. I need a rope. Toot is stuck in the water. How can a boat be stuck in the water? Wonders Honk. Swo-Swoosh is very good at helping others. Catch the rope, Toot, shouts Swo-Swoosh. I can help you. Help me! I can't stop! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Swo-Swoosh tries to lift up Toot, but Toot is very heavy. Accident! Help! Shouts Honk. Cars can't fly! Help! Cars can't swim! Oh! Huh? But how can Honk ride on top of the water? Asks Swo-Swoosh. Well, laughs Toot. Look, what do you see? Well, says Swo-Swoosh, lots of snow. I know. The water has turned to ice. The ice is very hard and thick. Yippee! It is safe to play on the ice. You are very clever, says Toot. I know, sighs Swo-Swoosh. Have fun, everybody! Sunny day in Springland. Morning, butterfly. Morning, flowers. Watch out, Lolly! Shouts Mr. Woolly the sheep. Swo-Swoosh has some exciting news to tell. Honk! There's a new foal on the farm! A new foal? What's that? Asks Honk. A foal is a baby horse. Yippee! A new friend. I'll race you, Swo-Swoosh. Ow! Ow! Cries Honk. What's wrong, Honk? Asks Swo-Swoosh. What's that sound? Oh no! Cries Swo-Swoosh. You have a flat tire, Honk. Honk is very disappointed. Now I can't go and see the new foal, moans Honk. I'll find you a new tire, calls Swo-Swoosh. Swo-Swoosh to the rescue. What do I see? A new tire for Honk.
Mommy says it's very important to watch where you're going, Honk.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
Always keep your eyes on the road,
Agrees Mrs. Woolly Sheep. A new tire for Honk, calls Swo-Swoosh.
It's too big.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Right, says Swo-Swoosh. I'll just find a smaller tire then. But Swo-Swoosh, this tire is too small for me.
If I was Swo-Swoosh, I'd take Honk's old tire and find one the very same size.
What a good idea, says Honk. Hello, Swo-Swoosh, calls Toot the boat. What are you up to now? Hello, Toot. Honk has a flat tire, and I can't find a new one the same size, says Swo-Swoosh. Well, chuckles Toot. Why not try the garage? They have all types of tires. The garage, of course. There is a garage at the airport. Thanks, Toot. Clever, Swo-Swoosh. Just right. Thanks for finding me a new tire, Swo-Swoosh. Hello, who's this? Hello, buddy. Do you want to play? Swo-Swoosh knew there was one last thing to do. Swo-Swoosh really did come to the rescue today. Have fun, everybody! In Springland, morning birds, morning sheep. Honk is going to fly his kite today. Yippee! Thinks Honk. I love kites. Here's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Honk, calls Swo-Swoosh. Did you remember the kite? Oh, yes, smiles Honk. It's right here. Don't make so much wind, blinks Honk. There's Toot the boat. Good morning, Toot, calls Honk. Good morning, calls Toot. The wind is just right for flying your kite. I'll help you get the kite in the air, calls Swo-Swoosh. But Honk, where is the kite? Says Toot. It's right there, says Honk, on my seat. Honk, I thought you said you had the kite, complained Swo-Swoosh. It was right here, I promise, says Honk. Where can it be? Maybe the kite fell out when you were driving, says Toot. Let's all help look for it. I'll see if it blew into the water. I'll see if I can find it from up in the air, announces Swo-Swoosh. I'll look on the land, calls Honk. Oh, I do hope we find it, thinks Honk. Maybe the kite blew all the way to the top of the cloud, thinks Swo-Swoosh. I don't see the kite floating on the water, thinks Toot. Good morning. Did anyone see my kite? This is where Honk had a bump and where Swo-Swoosh made so much wind. Hello, ducks. Honks honk. I think my kite fell into the river. Please look under the bridge for me.
Sorry, there is no kite under the bridge,
Quacks Mother Duck. Any luck? Calls Honk. My kite is lost forever, says a very sad little Honk. Think I'll go home now. Hey, stop! Shouts Swo-Swoosh. Sometimes we find what we're looking for only when we stop looking, chuckles Toot. Yippee! Kite flying time! Have a lovely day, everybody.